Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will allow you to repair the dual-zone climate control module of various Citroën and Peugeot models, replacing both displays with two pieces of the Minitools part SEPD ISP73. For this repair, you will need the tools listed below. Position the module as shown, and with the head of the spudger, unhook the latches to open the back cover. Remove the board. Remove the plastic bases and then the two LCDs with the tweezers, making sure to keep the white back film. Detach the conductive rubber strips. Remove the protective films from the first Minitools display. Place it. Reinsert the original white film, the display plastic base, and then the strip. Repeat the procedure with the second display. Reinsert the PCB and the back cover. Switch on the unit. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for doing these repairs. Thank you for choosing Minitools.